We've got a major problem.
Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
Right, let's have a look, see what the image is. Well, the good news is 169.9 a litre. So let's see. Oh, bit free fuel. What we get. Ouch. Mind you, I've been to Shrewsbury and back and generator use since, so I can't really complain. Let's go and pay. Let's go get parked up. When people ask, what's bus life like? This is the reality. We've broken down. The power steering, which is hydraulic based on a pump. It's peeing out here. It's got a hole in it, so it's just dropped all the fluid out of the bus, which I must think is probably 25 litres. Here's a little bit of remnants on the floor here. I'm just going to put something on that to mop that up. It's got a hole. I'll put a little video in here. That's obviously what's happened. I'll just put an ask out on Facebook if anyone knows any mobile around. I think Colton Hydraulics might be a good shout, which is next door to the Purple Turd, ironically, but that's the other side of town now. And obviously they're mobile during the day, so I'll give them a ring in the morning. Just need a repair, just so I can fix it. Spoken to Nick at Vanlife Bus It. He reckons it's a standard fit pipe, looking at it, which is good. They should carry that on the truck. So we'll keep getting ready, getting bits and bobs ready, and pray to God that it works. If not, we'll be doing what Lindsay from Bus Different did, and we'll be going in a tent. So I'm not going to go, so I'm looking at the call. She's in the van because I'm stressed. She's staying out my way. We'll go in a tent, we'll do something. When the worst park up we've got, it's a good park up in terms of it's quiet, but it's very... I don't know what the word is, I'm looking at Nicole for the word. It's safe, it's just dirty. It's like a service road to back up some big businesses. But at least it's quiet here. I can get up on the curb here as well to get underneath it, and I can reach both ends of the pipe. And someone that's a bit smaller than me, obviously it'll be a bit easier for them. Felt like a bit of a waffle, but let's keep going.
So it's off. As you can see, that is the issue.
And just like that, we're sorted. Thank you so much to Levi from ERI Truck, Bus and Plant. That's not the third time I've done that to get it around the right way. He's come out, he's took off the hydraulic lines, took it down to Colton Hydraulics, which are based next door to the Purple Turd, ironically. They've been able to do hoses and he's fitted it, put the new fluid in, fled the system up, and it works a treat. Now looking at the pipes, I'll put a picture of them in here for you. It's just a hole that's burst over time. Being advised to change both pipes because obviously they'll both be the similar age, so we've done both pipes, so we should be good. We're just going to get the rest of the bus ready, go and get the kids from school, and we're setting off to Vanlife at the Hull. Hallelujah. Oh, ambulance! It's not for me. Obviously we're now on the road to Vanlife at the Hull. We're on the A64, where we queues every year. We always queue here. We are about 20 miles away. So we'll keep going and we'll turn back on when we get to the Hull. Let's go. Nice, cool. That's an old fire engine. Next up, we've got the A67, no, start again. Next up, we've got the A64, massive hill. This bus does not go up. Let's see how we do this year. Okay, I've got the bus doing 45, it won't go any faster. I guarantee by the time I get a quarter of the way up, I'll be in So this is the next hill. It's a bit hard to tell on the camera, but the good thing is for this, it's because there's traffic, I can get up it in first gear and no one knows the difference. So we're on to a winner. We've arrived in one piece. Just got another 2 minutes to go. I just checked the fluid about half hour ago. We've dropped probably half the tank, but I think that's probably where it's still running through. And Nick from Vanlife Fest has already told me he's got some on board I can use, because I've got none spare. But we are here, look. Hopefully we can get in where we went last year. And another coach. Perfect. Nick's not here yet. Lindsay's here. Yeah.
We've got a lot of room, Mum. Actually, maybe not. I doubt saying that.
Yeah, fine.
You're all waving at your dad.
Hello. So it's Saturday morning. We're getting ready for the display. We're hoovering because obviously the grass is quite dead, so it's all inside the bus. Been around the bus with a muck junkie, looking much cleaner. Got all the grease off from the incident yesterday Thursday night, which is good. Everyone's just getting ready. There's some really good vehicles here. Lots of buses, coaches, like trucks. Bus looking nice and clean after giving it a rub down. Everyone's just waiting up now, ready to move down to the main arena. Getting ourselves a bit of a convoy. All the way down here. Oh, hi. Oh, me and Edie. He's got a new outfit on today, haven't you? Looking very cute. Festival outfit ready, aren't you? You can say hello to everyone. Say hi. Can you wave? Good girl. Say hi. We're getting there. Alright, let's get going. We've got his escort, and John's there with his bike. So let's get rolling up. Here we go. Well, that's been a manic 2 hours. We're now going over to do us talk. I was just locking up. But I didn't know I was having. Busy enough here? Right, let's go over here and get this talk done.
My name is Charlie 131. Nice to meet you, Kirsty. Hello. Hello. I am Charlie 131. What is your name?
Summer.
Hello, Summer. Pleased to meet you, Summer.
Anyway, happy feels.
Manny, massive round of applause. Come on.